really loud. I mean, with the engine going, but that is the view. I was just walking around the riverside and landed up at this place called the seafood restaurant next to the river, on the river. And one guy just got hold of me and told me that, listen, let's go, let me take you on a cruise on the river. So I was, yeah, just walking around. So I thought, well, why not? So let's do it. So I really don't know what to expect, but I guess at least a little bit more of this can be expected. So the guy driving the boat told me to actually sit right up front over there, but I guess he had his own agenda. So trust your own instincts as well. And yeah, so I guess I was better off using my own brain, and that's why I'm sitting where I'm sitting I'm getting the view I am. Well, no one else joined us over there, but maybe they go somewhere else. There are a lot of cruises on this river. One of the most famous, there are many of them actually, is Princess, and then there are others. And why I did not take one of these today is because of the fact that these river cruises are inclusive of your dinner, as well as some drinks and entertainment. And I personally thought that though they are very beautiful, but because I was on my own and I didn't want to, I thought it would be a little, maybe I can do it actually one day, with someone, and I thought that would be more enjoyable. So I actually thought that probably on my own I can do one of these canal tours. it's the Avani, and I think this is the Anantara. Home to the Mai Tai. One can actually use the Chao Phraya River and its canals to go from place A to B within the city. It is really cool. I mean, there are very few places in the world where one can actually do something like that, and that is what makes this very, very unique. Okay, so I think we're getting into the canal now from the main river front.